Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock a contact on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock a contact on Facebook, first open up a Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to unblock that contact. And at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is three-line icon available for us. Tap on there, and over here guys, again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon just beside the magnifying glass icon. Tap on that and scroll down from over here, and over here you can see there is the blocking option available for us just above the active status. Tap on blocking, and over here guys you can see all of your blocked contacts over here. Now in order to unblock a contact, tap on the contact which you want to unblock and this kind of pop-up will appear, and again tap on unblock, and then that contact will be unblocked from Facebook. And guys, this is how you unblock a contact on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.